Is your CPU always hitting 100% while your GPU chills at 40%? Let's fix that. Here are some powerful settings that can reduce CPU bottleneck and boost gaming performance. So let's get straight into it, starting by adding your games to graphics card and give them the high performance. So to do that, go to search bar and search for graphics settings like so, and click on that. And from here you want to browse and you want to add the game that you want to play, or all games if you want to do that. So I'm gonna add a game, for example, just to show you how that can work. So I'm going to add PUBG. So I'm going to Steam apps, and I'm going to add TSL game.exe. And from here you see options. Click on options and select high performance and click save. I'm going to add all of them, and options and high performance. And from here you want to make sure that you turn on the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Alright, and restart required. So you want to restart your computer to apply the changes. Alright, once you've done that, let's go again to settings, and from here you want to go to gaming and turn off the game bar from here, and go to game mode and make sure it's turned on. And once you've done that, we're going to go to settings, and from here go to privacy. In general, make sure you turned off everything. As you can see, linking and taping personalization, make sure you turn that off as well. And diagnostic and feedback, you wanna turn everything off. Make sure you turn off all these settings. In app permissions, you wanna go to location and turn that off as well. Camera off, microphone off if you don't use microphone, unless if you use your microphone, so you wanna turn that on. And as you can see, all these privacy settings are turned off in my computer. If you are using Windows 10, you want to search for background apps and click on that, and make sure you turned off the background apps from here. Alright, once you've done that, you want to go to startup apps and turn them off, so your Windows will start smoothly without running the applications in the background. So right click on the taskbar and click on task manager, and from here you want to go to startup. In here you want to disable everything you don't need, and if you see Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, just disable that, and you can manually run the application. And we are going to use a tool called MSI Utility. The link will be in the description below, so you want to download that from GitHub. So I'm gonna download it as zip file. I'll save that, open the zip file, extract it in your desktop, and then open the folder. Right click on MSI Utility v3.exe and run as administrator. You wanna search for your graphic card from here. As you can see, this is my graphic card, and you want to check the MSI box here, so you can change the priority to high, and select high and click on apply. Once you've done that, you want to go to download this tool to maximize the CPU usage. The link will be in description, and you want to click on download ParkControl from here and save that in your computer. You want to run this as administrator, select your language, click OK, agree with the terms, and click next, and click install. And make sure you have the high performance from here selected, make as active, and you want to turn off the parking and the frequency scaling on battery. Also, you want to turn off the frequency scaling. Once you've done that, just click apply and hit OK, and the program will keep running in the background. Just do not close that. Last step that I'm going to show you guys, which is NVIDIA control panel. If you have NVIDIA, just right click in your desktop and go ahead and click on NVIDIA control panel. From here, you want to go to the 3D settings in here and make sure you select performance. Use my preference emphasizing, just select high performance, click apply, go to manage 3D settings. In here you want to turn off the image scaling. Just copy my settings. And you want to look for low latency mode and turn that on, or ultra. If you see the ultra is giving you the best FPS, just keep it ultra. If you don't, just try to change it to on and see which the options give you the best performance. From here, the OpenGL rendering GPU, you want to select your GPU from here. The power management mode, you want to select prefer maximum performance. The texture filtering quality, you want to change that to high performance. The vertical sync off unless you have screen tearing, and that's it. Just click apply. You want to go to configure surround physics, click on that and choose NVIDIA GeForce, your GPU instead of CPU, and click apply. You want to go again to adjust desktop color settings. From here you can enhance the digital vibrance around 80% or 70 or even 90. That's up to you. Brightness and the contrast, you want to change that, as I said, depends on you, it's up to you. And you want to go to adjust desktop size and position, and make sure you change that to full screen, and select display and resolution. Make sure you select your native resolution and refresh rate, the highest refresh rate you have, and click apply. Click yes. And you want to go to display, change the resolution. Also make sure you have the native resolution selected and the refresh rate, the highest, selected. Scroll down and you want to change this to use NVIDIA color settings, and from here you want to give it the highest. The output dynamic range set to full and click apply. Say yes and you are done. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this can reduce a little bit your CPU bottleneck, and see you in the next one. Bye.